Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create YouTube search in Fliki. First, open the Fliki app and make sure that you are logged with your account. Now within the video tab, you can see different options. In order to create the YouTube search, you can either choose the idea prompt or script option. If you already have any script, you can just tap on the script option. But like me, if you don't have any script, you can just tap on the idea prompt. Now within the prompt, type or paste your idea. After that, tap on the next option. Now Fliki will redirect you to the template page where it will automatically by default create a vertical 9:6 video which is perfect for your video shorts. But if it doesn't, you can just tap on the portrait option within the aspect ratio. Scroll down the templates and choose whichever is perfect for your shorts. After selecting, tap on the next option. Then it will again redirect you to a new page where it will ask for details like your language, tone, purpose and audience. You can just select this option or tap next to continue. Now choose your media type. If you want a ready-made visuals, you can just leave as it is in the stock media, or if you want an unique look, you can just tap on the AI visuals. After that, choose an AI voice that sounds energetic and clear, which works best for your YouTube search. And once done, tap on the select. Now tap submit. Fliki will automatically create a vertical 9:6 video perfect for your YouTube search. As you can see, Fliki has successfully created your video search based on your idea prompt. Now in order to preview, tap on the preview icon at the top to check the video. If everything looks good, tap on the download option given and you are ready to share the YouTube search. And that's it. You have successfully created a YouTube search. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.